Hi everyone and welcome to Evening News. I'm John Smith, nephew of the legendary teacher Sir Bebo. We've just received word that the president has declared a new law. Now, let's go to our on-field reporter, Luz Viminda, Encarnacion, Jr., the third. Take it away, Luz.
Magandang hapon dyan at nandito ako ngayon sa labas ng Malacanang Palace at na-confirm na po na nagpasa ng bagong batas ang presidente natin. Isinasaad po dito na lahat ng Pilipino ay dapat na magpa-opera para sa Picture of Perfection goal ng Pilipinas. Kung hindi ay huhulihin sila ng mga Vicky bots at sapilitan silang ooperahan. Back to you, John!
Thank you, Luz. And there you go, everyone. Once again, this has been Evening News. I'm John Smith. Good morning, everyone.